If you're a project manager looking to stay ahead of the curve, it's time to harness the power of AI. Introducing KCOM Academy's Project Management Using AI program. In just 2 days, you'll master AI-driven skills to boost efficiency and outcomes. Expert trainer Ravindran Chelaya will guide you through Agile, Scrum, and Waterfall methodologies, while showing you how to implement AI tools for resource management, scheduling, and risk mitigation. Imagine making decisions with predictive analytics, automating reports in real time, and seeing your projects soar to new heights. With interactive lectures, role plays, and case studies, you'll get hands-on experience that sticks. Join us, future-proof your career, and become a leader in AI-powered project management. Sign up now at KCOM Academy.